Difference between fibroblast and fibrocyte. Activity. Active. Fibroblast active in extracellular matrix production. It produces ground substance, collagen fiber, elastic fiber. Fibrocyte actually inactive or resting fibroblast maintain tissue integrity. The fibroblast is larger than the fibrocyte. Fibroblast shape is irregular, but fibrocyte shape is spindle shape. Nucleus of the fibroblast is ovoid, large and pale staining because it contains more euchromatin which contain active DNA. Its nucleus also contains prominent nucleolus. So, metabolically, fibroblast is more active cell. The nucleus of the fibrocyte is flattened, smaller and darkly stained because of the presence of heterochromatin which contain inactive DNA, so it is metabolically inactive. Cytoplasm of the fibroblast is basophilic due to the presence of more protein secreting organelle, protein producing organelle like endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome and Golgi complex. And cytoplasm of the fibroblast is acidophilic. These are the electron microscopic picture of fibroblast and fibrocyte. You see the nucleus, it is lightly stained. Nucleus is heavily stained due to the presence of the more heterochromatin. Here less heterochromatin is present. See, the cytoplasm is more than the fibrocytes and the cytoplasm contain rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and free ribosome. Here organelle present less in amount in fibrocyte. These are the rough endoplasmic reticulum present within the fibroblast. So, in this figure also seen the rough endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex, and this is the organelle present within the fibrocyte. Role of fibroblast in wound healing: actively participate in repair and it can become fibroblast to assist in healing. This is the fibroblast, lightly stained, oval nucleus. This is fibrocyte, darkly stained elongated nuclei. Identify A and B. A is fibroblast, B is fibrocyte. Thank you for watching.